Hello everyone. So on this video we're gonna go into meme coins. The main reason is because I see a rotation coming up into meme coins later on at the end of this month, possibly by the earliest on the third week by Christmas time. As you can see on the previous consolidation periods, there have been around 40 to 30 bars. We're pretty much halfway there. It will take us all the way to Christmas time. Also, you have a minimum of 5 bars on the weekly. There's at least 6 here, there's 7 bars here. We're within the 4th week. I'm pretty much anticipating another week on the 5th one and then on a 6th one with a chance of going into expansion and taking out the highs. And this is just gonna go, if you see one leg, second leg usually is a 3 drive move, and the third one sometimes tends to be the strongest one. So I see this based on time and mode, a possible target of whatever you're gonna see here. So on this one, CAT is another one. CAT, I'm liking it right now since I got a nice reaction of this level here after retaking the last block on the weekly. You got nice reactions. I still see a chance of this coming a little bit lower here onto this area, and then I want to see the same reaction that we saw here. Nice price contraction, nice price contraction. We got a little price contraction here. That's your cue. It takes, if it reclaims this level, then you already know you have to jump in, right? Usually once it retakes like here or here, it goes super fast. So here has been on resistance. If it retakes, you can take that action. Bank, that's another one that I expect to start moving during the end of December. It's slowly trending down, just retracing a little bit. Not trending down, just retracing. Now, it's falling back into the last block of resistance, where it pretty much created the high of the entire move since March, and it's holding it. So I expect this is just a weekly entry that I had, but on daily, there's a good chance that this block, this entire area that you see here, it will hold. So if you have the chance, I will start slowly buying back into this area and then targeting at least a 2x move on the next leg that is coming up. This is just gonna continue to go up. Solana is gonna go up, and yeah. So Turbo is another one that I see with good potential. Monthly, you just reclaim this area. It's an easy move going up. Weekly is trying to do a confirmation signal. I like this type of price action that you see the low, a swing low, takes out the liquidity, retests, and it goes up. If you have the chance with this one, I'll try to start bidding these areas, right? And possibly maybe lower, but I think this is just a SR flip. It took weeks, months to actually flip over. I don't think it's gonna lose this level. So overall, same thing. It's gonna take a week or two before it starts trending up. WEN is one of the most powerful that I see based on price action. Just for the main reason that it's at the beginning of it, right? You can see all these areas right here. Let me take this off. It's the first time breaking above, breaking the market structure, has been downtrending since April. For the first time, it's trying to flip over. This is the first retest into what? A nice block. I've been buying those prices right here. So if you have the chance also, I invite you to start bidding into these areas. And then potentially on the weekly, as you can see, let me take this off. On the weekly, this one can go and target this block. Why this block? Because for the last couple weeks, most of the coins have been aiming into the previous high. So 0004 will be a nice level. And this is the same thing. You want to see this, a slow reaction going down all the way with 3 bars down. And I think that could possibly be the low. The next week will be just holding into this area, and then the next week after will probably start trending up. Neuro CTO is one that I'm eyeing. I'm not too I guess I'm not a fan of this one too much since I've been testing this area multiple times, but if it's holding, what I want to see with this one in particular is a breakdown and a reclaim, and then that's where you're gonna trigger, and then that'll be your next stop. So that's like a 2x maybe, and then yeah, that'll be for everything. I mean, overall it's looking into a week or two at least of consolidation for most meme coins, but you want to try to position yourselves instead of just chasing the trend. So that's why I'm posting this video. And the same thing for if we'll take a look into Doggy. Where is it? Where it is? Right here. It's just still consolidating. I mean, I don't see this going lower into this area that I wanted to go into 30 cents unless BTC completely does an up move, which is trying to do right now, all the way to like 107, 106, and then retraces down. And I think if it does happen, I think it's just gonna go on a solo run all the way to this area and then come down. And once it comes down, it's gonna track the entire market down. And then that'll be the only scenario that I see this going down all the way to 30, but right now it's unlikely. So this is just holding here, man. This is a huge block that it just finally reclaimed. I don't see this going lower in this area if it goes that area. I think it's just gonna stay within this range for a couple weeks. Same thing that happened here, and then it's gonna continue to go up. So overall, the market is still healthy. I think this is just the first leg of the next two legs that we're gonna see, possibly on the entire market. And if we go into quickly into others, this is just the starting point. I mean, we've been trying to pose into the articles, start buying anything between 200 into 210 was a nice buying area. If it retraces, obviously it's gonna take the entire market down, but it's still a nice buying opportunity. I think this is gonna go aim towards the all-time highs and possibly retrace after that, but I think it just over 330, 320 is gonna be the low. I don't think it's gonna go much lower. If it goes here, it will be a great buying point, but I don't think it's gonna go there. Yeah, but that'll be everything for now. I think meme coins are the way to go for the next for the end of the year, just to see a nice play into 2x's, 3x's possibly. It were a little bit ambitious, and I'm liking Andy. Bonk is another one as well. WEN, really like it. How it's the price action behaving here. You got a nice reaction. That's what you want to see. Slowly, look, just the same accumulation as most coins, just going up slowly. The first test of the breakout, and then the next one will be the massive move. So yeah, that'll be everything for right now.